Legacy Recordings Week in Music, May 13th through May 19th. May 13th, 2008, the U.S. Postal Service issued a 42-cent postage stamp honoring Frank Sinatra. May 14th, 1982, The Clash released the album Combat Rock. The album was the band's biggest seller, making the top 10 in the U.S. and many other countries around the world. May 15th, 1959, Elvis Presley claims his fourth number one on the UK singles chart with A Fool Such As I, backed with I Need Your Love Tonight. May 16th, 2012, Angus Young was named Best Australian Guitarist of All Time by a poll conducted by Australian Guitar Magazine. He also topped the magazine's poll for Best Australian Guitarist in a schoolboy uniform. May 17, 1966, Bob Dylan appeared at the Free Trade Hall in Manchester. This was the concert where a member of the audience shouted out, "Judas!" at Dylan, unhappy with his move from acoustic to rock. Dylan replied with, "I don't believe you. You're a liar." The entire concert was officially released in the Bootleg series by Legacy Recordings in 1998. May 18, 1975. 7 years after it hit number one in the U.S., Tammy Wynette was at number one on the UK singles chart with Stand By Your Man. May 19, 1973. Paul Simon released the single Kodachrome, named after the Kodak 35mm film Kodachrome, which became a number 2 hit in the U.S. It was never released as a single in Britain because the BBC wouldn't play the trademark name. Now that it's 40 years later, the BBC might reconsider playing it, knowing that anyone under 25 years old has no idea what it is.